Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save YouTube Kids videos for offline watching. So if you want to keep your kids entertained, if you are when you are have no internet connection, or maybe you're on road trips or flights, you can just download YouTube Kids video for offline watching. So here's what you need to do. Open your YouTube Kids application and choose the videos that you want to download. But you need to know that not all videos on YouTube Kids can be downloaded. So if you don't see the options, that means maybe the creator or the owner of the videos doesn't allow the video to be downloaded. So let's see in here. Okay, like this one, there is no download option when I click on the three dots icon. But when I try another video like this one, there will be this option. So just tap on download video, and to find the downloaded video, you can just head into your stuff here and choose download. And this is the video that I just downloaded. So you can watch this video even if you don't have any internet connections. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.